the third in the series of building a traditional fishing boat, brought to you by the Shores of Triad Community Group. We're here on a really beautiful stolen early spring day to meet the men behind the project to build this really special little boat. So Kieran, you're the third member of the team. Can you tell me what you're doing here today?
Yeah, Ken, so we're shaping the stern of the boat. So I suppose the technical term for this is a template.
Right.
So from the old boat that we were...
This is the back, or the back of the boat,
Stern.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, this is a template that we have taken off an older boat.
Right.
A boat that we got from the far side of the Lough, and it's about 80 years old.
Yeah.
So we're trying to preserve how long it's there and how it looks. So this one is slightly land back like this.
Yeah, so it's not straight, it's at an
It's
angle.
not straight because in the following sea or following wave, if this was straight like this, the wave would slap up against that and into the boat.
Yeah.
So in the interest of keeping yourself dry and keeping yourself alive,
Yeah.
you need a wee bit of a
And then it hits
return.
and falls, it's a return.
Yeah.
Right.
And it's not so important on a boat with an engine because the engine can go faster than the wave.
Yes.
But in a work kind of locked down boat, it was important because they were rowed or sailed. So it means the wave got to catch up.
So Paddy, today, what's your role?
My role today is keeping everybody supplied in timber, getting two staffs in front of everybody so we already have the planks now ready for whenever, a couple of weeks time whenever we need them. We're now getting a thing for a steamer, bottom gunnel. So it's just basically keeping
The bottom gunnel.
bottom gunnel.
Right,
It's basically just trying to keep it in front of everybody so they're not standing on a Wednesday waiting on
So
timber to
they
be
don't
cut.
get a break because you have everything ready.
Everything should be on hand.
Yeah.
Ready. We need it.
We're in the pollen season. The pollen season is the first February. The end of October to the 1st February.
So this is Roger. Roger's from the Lough Boating Heritage Association. Roger's going to tell us a bit about what it is we're doing in the project today, the different elements of it. Roger, do you want to tell us where we are just here?
Okay, this is, we're shaping this timber. We've been cut to size and we're actually now shaping it to match this old oar, which you can see here. It's got a square section.
So where did you get that, Roger? Where did that come from?
Somebody gave this to us.
Right.
And it's old, it's not usable, so we cut it down. But,
And is that then like your pattern?
this is our
Or your template
So
or
this,
your whatever?
this will be followed. This is the dimension of the whole wall plus this part here, the bull.
The bull?
The bull, this section here,
Okay.
is shaped,
It's got here. Yeah.
and that's where a pin will go. So that's the pivot point on the boat itself. Okay. The next stage now is steaming.
Okay, right, Roger. So tell me what's
Let
going on
me
here.
just show you.
Okay,
If I bring this across,
yeah.
you can see this section.
Okay, let's have a look at this. Yeah.
Okay. Now there are two of these on the boat, one each side. That roughly there.
Yeah.
And
Are they on the base of the boat, Roger?
yes,
Right, okay.
they'll be attached to the bottom of the boat, and they serve to take the first plank. This is just to show you.
And the plank is what's going to go down the side,
Yes,
yeah?
the plank tucks into that angle, and then they curve around that. To get them to curve, we put them in a long metal pipe with a wallpaper stripper on it, and it'll be steamed. And after about a good hour, the timber will be softened down, and then it will be held to the boat we'll have to put a series of clamps onto that so that it fits right the way round the motor. And so on each side, that when it cools down, it'll be attached to the boat.
Yeah.
Right. Out in the corner, no, the order in the corner, yeah.
This corner, this way.
Yeah.
Just this, you know.
Hang on a minute. Right, clamp there, I can put 3 or 4 clamps. Clamp here.
We don't have it over there. Still has the stages. Give her a look,
Down there, we can put it down. Hang on. Don't clamp. That was clamp.
Somebody's coming.
Talk to her.